So how did we get from here to here to here? It starts when you have that "that's so crazy it just might work" moment. So you put your idea to paper, kick it around for a year or so, until it starts to consume you. And you have to build it, painting over every detail, making design changes as you go, teetering somewhere between obsession and madness. There is a campground just a few blocks from my house. We could have easily taken the camper there, but I wanted someplace a little more scenic and full off-grid experience. That would mean going up a mountain, so it was decided that we'd take the camper there by truck. I could get some footage of towing and setting up later on. At least that was the plan, before the incident. I spent the first night camped near my friends. I stayed warm, dry, and comfortable with everything I needed on board. But 2 days of pissing rain was starting to take its toll on everyone. No electricity, no cell service, no contact with the outside world, with food supplies running low. We all started to go a little insane. I knew I had to get away, for my safety as well as theirs. So when the weather started to break, I broke away from the tribe. If your mind snaps in the forest and no one is around to hear it, does it make a sound? I became increasingly paranoid. Would they see the smoke from my cozy fire? Or smell my delicious Delmonico steak with instant mashed potatoes? Were they watching me cook bacon and farm fresh eggs with the ease and convenience of making them in your own kitchen? Would they come for my TV, stereo, or solar power? Would they come for my super comfy 4-inch thick memory foam mattress? And worst of all, what would they do to me? Never get out of the boat. Absolutely goddamn right. The next day brought new life to the forest, and with it, a sense of calm. It flowed through me like a cool summer breeze. Maybe I had finally come to peace with myself. But if I was going to make it off this mountain alive, I would need to make peace with the tribe. In a mysterious turn of events, they had felt the calming sensation too, and agreed to help me load my camper into the truck. That's when the incident occurred. A forensic investigation revealed that the camper door had blown open at 50 miles an hour, and the resulting wind ripped the entire cabin section off its hinges and tossed it down the highway. It must have been quite a sight, but it's a good thing no one was behind the truck to see it, or they could have been seriously injured. The camper survived surprisingly well, considering it bounced to the shoulder of the road. It can definitely be repaired, but I think I would make a few changes. A slightly beefier trailer with a real axle and knobby tires, and I would coat the exterior with poor man's fiberglass, so it's less likely to get banged up. The interior was fine, and I wish I had more photos of it. But I think I'm pretty over campers for now. I need to move on to other things. Eventually I'll come back to this project and make those changes, so the camper will return. Until then, I wish you all the best of luck with your projects, and stay happy, campers, and we'll see you next time.